EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for April 19th, 2022. It is Tuesday. We are now in the wake of the nor'easter that is pulling away this morning. We'll have a parting shot for northeastern areas on the way out with some snow showers. And then we're expecting a cold day today with some breezy conditions developing this afternoon. We'll get to that in a second. Today's video forecast is sponsored by J. Evans Property Services, serving York, Lancaster, Chester, Berks, Lebanon, and southern Dauphin counties in Pennsylvania and also northern Maryland. We are now several weeks into spring, and your lawn and landscaping will take center stage as we head deeper into the growing season. If you're looking for quality work at competitive prices from a family-owned business, J. Evans Property Services is the way to go. They offer premium landscaping and design, sod install, drainage solutions, as well as residential and commercial complete property maintenance. You can call or text to the phone number above me here in the video or schedule an estimate through their website at landscapingcontractorslancasterpa.com. They are J. Evans Property Services, proud sponsors of the Tuesday video forecast. So again, today the system's pulling away this morning. We're going to have a parting shot in our northeastern areas as it does so. And as I pull this forward a little bit, you might have a passing shower, at least in our northern areas. The northern half of our region could see a passing rain or snow shower today in the wake of that, kind of wrapping around the backside of this system. But it shouldn't be too big of a deal. The biggest takeaway from today is that it's going to be breezy, and it's going to still remain cold as the upper level trough is sitting over top of the region. Here's the NAM high-res future simulated radar. Is a precipitation-type radar. Starting off at 7 a.m., you can see the timestamp in the upper right-hand corner as they move this forward. So you have a parting shot of a few snowflakes, snow showers continuing up until about mid-morning or so. And then that pulls out of the area. Then after that point, the northern tier could see some rain or snow showers rotating through. Just a few here. This is more or less lake effect wraparound stuff around that departing low as it pulls away. And then that will wrap up by early evening. The bigger story today to coincide with the cold is also the winds. Now, it's not going to be too bad this morning, but once you get in the afternoon, the winds are going to pick up a little bit. We'll have some wind gusts that are consistently in the 30 to 35 mile per hour range in terms of peak gusts, but 15 to 25 miles per hour commonly otherwise. And that will extend into the evening and then will slowly diminish overnight. And then once we get to Wednesday, high pressure is going to be moving in. So we're going to have a much less windy day here to deal with on Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be a mostly sunny day, and we're going to turn the corner a little bit. This trough is going to begin to lift out, and by doing so, high pressure sitting right over top of our region, which means that we're going to have much calmer winds, and we're going to have the temperatures increase considerably from what they are today by about 10 degrees or so. And you can see that next right above me, 42 to 52 is the spread in temperatures from northwest to southeast today, 51 to 61 on Wednesday. So we're making a big jump there, but still 51 to 61 is below average no matter how you toss the dice there. It's going to be below average on Wednesday, just not as far below average as we've been for the past couple of days. Then we get to Wednesday, we have a front approaching the region, and we will have warm air advection out in front of it, so we're going to have temperatures getting up into the 60s, getting closer to average. We'll call it mostly cloudy there on Thursday, though, because we have this cold front approaching. It's going to run out of steam, as we've been talking about all week. This has not really changed. Could be a stray shower in our far northwestern or northern areas as this moves through Thursday evening, but other than that, we should return to mostly sunny skies here on Friday, with temperatures making a run in at 70 degrees. It's going to be so we're going right from, we went from very warm last week to below average and cold temperatures. Now we're going right back to near the 70 degree mark here on Friday. Now we will have a partly to mostly cloudy day here on Saturday because we have a warm front moving through the region. Right now we're leaving the shower mentions out of the forecast just because it looks like it's going to stay off further north, but there is some opportunity for a shower if the GFS is correct, which ran earlier this evening. So the European model says no rain across our region at all, just partly to mostly cloudy skies here on Saturday. Not quite as warm because you have a lot more clouds to deal with, but we're still talking about near average temperatures or thereabout here on Saturday and in the middle 60s. And then once we get to Sunday, we're right back to the 70 degree mark again. So probably Sunday and Monday. Here's a look at Sunday. We're back to at least partly cloudy skies here on Sunday, and then Monday there's a front approaching, but it looks like partly cloudy skies will start. You might have an increase in clouds late in the day, but this is probably going to come through here on Thursday with on Tuesday of next week with some rain. But it doesn't look like it's going to get in here in time for Monday, so we have another dry day, it looks like, in temperatures that are still going to be in the 70s ahead of the system. It's behind the system. We get cooler again. Not quite as cool as this first shot that we had, that we're having right now, that we're experiencing, but we will have temperatures definitely at least slightly below average after that front moves through. So from the 27th to the 30th looks a little chilly, but temperatures on either side of 60, a little slightly below average. It looks like nothing crazy. Upper 50s to low 60s across the regions, what we're going to be dealing with at that point, and that's going to extend into the first week of May, we think. So May is going to start off on the cooler side as well, and not starting off warmer. Okay, so but it is relative for this time of year. So when I say it's cool on May 7th, that doesn't mean we're having what we're having now with 40s. Okay, so just keep that in mind as we approach the next month. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for April 19th, 2022. Have a great Tuesday.